She now says the van has got a noise. Now press the brakes on and off. Yeah, but maybe there's no pad left.
The question is my brakes on my van shot and the discs have had it, or is it just grit in the caliper?
Is that beautiful sun out there? That's Mrs. Crazy Baker. She now says the van has got a noise. Now, as I quite clearly says, oh shit, I thought that was a nail in a tyre.
You can say that.
They're almost down.
Might be the anchors on.
Is it doing it all the time?
It started halfway along the road. Yeah, that sounds like in the wheel.
That's telling me you're on a disc. Just move forward. Drop, reverse back a minute. Go forward. Stop. Forward. Take your foot. Go forward a bit more. Stop. Right. Put the handbrake on. Now press the brakes on and off. Are you pressing the brakes on and off? Just take your handbrake off and let it roll. Go forward. I know what it sounds like.
Yeah.
It sounds like your brakes binding.
They're off, but well, I don't forget what it is.
It means you ain't got any brakes. I would have said. Unless there's a stone in the brake.
To stop.
Yeah, but maybe there's no pad left. So you're actually metal to metal. Well, the light indicator switch hasn't come on. Hasn't come off to say you're down. Because there's an indicator on that dash saying quite clearly if you were down on the metal.
Yeah, there's no lights on.
The indicator light isn't on the dash. Because that would have come up. It's not making it now. Could be a stone in it. Just move forward with that. Oh, and listen.
And there we go, folks. Grit in the brake caliper. It's as simple as that. And if you like content like this, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!